Hey there, coffee lovers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of mastering the perfect cappuccino. Did you know that the term cappuccino actually means little cap in Italian? That's because the head of foamed milk that sits atop the drink's espresso base is aptly named. Now, let's talk about microfoam. This is frothed or steamed milk in which the bubbles are so small and numerous that they're unseen, but they make the milk lighter and thicker. When the espresso is poured correctly, the microfoam will remain partly on top of the mug, as well as mix well. If you're a coffee enthusiast, I highly recommend checking out the ebook History of Master Coffee by Kamil Pawlikowski. It's a fantastic resource that will help you master the art of the perfect cappuccino and other coffee recipes. Thank you for joining me today. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more coffee-related content. Cheers!